Good morning, my dear children. We will start our day with a prayer.
Dear God, please keep me happy today. Help me to be bright, cheerful and gay. Help me to do the things you want me to be to others kind and good. My parents, teachers and friends to bless and keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness.
Children, today I have brought for you magic words. Can you guess which words are these? This and that. These are magic words. This and that. What is this, children? Yes, this is a calendar. I can touch this calendar, and calendar is close by me. So I will use the magic word this for this calendar. That is a table. Table is far away from me. For table, I will use the magic word that. That is a table. That is a tree. Children, I cannot touch the tree and I cannot hold the tree. So for that tree, I will use word that. That is a tree. Tree is far from me. Magic words are given on page number 41. This, that. This is a leaf. Leaf is close to the sentence. So we will use the magic word this for this leaf. That is a tree. Tree is far away from this sentence. So we will use the magic word that for that tree. This is a bird. That is a cat. This is a book. Book is close to the sentence. So we will use the magic word this for this book. That is a bag. Bag is far away from this sentence. So we will use the magic word that for that bag. This is an ant. That is an elephant. Things, animals, birds, peoples which are close to us. For that we will use the magic word this. And things, animals, birds, people which are far away from us. For that we will use the magic word that. Worksheet 31, page number 31. Fill in this or that. What is this, children? Yes, this is a bat. Bat is close to this sentence. So we will use word this for this bat. We will write here T H I S. This. What is that, children? Yes, that is a ball. Ball is far away from me. For ball, I will use the magic word that. T H A T. That. What is this, children? Yes, this is a bell. T H I S. This. This is a bell. What is that? That is a doll. T H A T. That. That is a doll. In our notebook, open page next to this page. This, that. Date is 28th of September 2020. Children, you have to draw a line middle of this page. Write word this. THIS, this. That. THAT, that. T H I S, this. T H A T, that. This, that. You have to write here words this and that. In next page, words are given. L-E-F-A, leaf. T-R-E-E, tree. B-I-R-D, bird. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. L-E-A-F, leaf. T-R-E-E, tree. Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Book. B-O-O-K, book. Another words are here. Bag. B-A-G, bag. This is very easy for you, children. C-A-T, cat. A-N-T, ant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Children, you have to learn these words. Here is a story for you, children. Little Red Riding Hood. It's on page number 40. Red Riding Hood was a little girl who always wore a red hood. Her mother gave her a basket full of fruits and cakes to give her grandmother, who lived near the forest. But on the way, she met a wolf who asked her where she was going. When Red Riding Hood reached her granny's house, she saw her lying in the bed. And she was surprised to see that her granny had big eyes, big ears, and big hands. Granny told her that all these helped her to see, hear, and hold her better. When Red Riding Hood asked as to why she had such a big mouth, the wolf suddenly punched on her. She was crying. But at the moment a woodcutter was in the wood, he heard loud scream and ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. The wolf opened his mouth and Granny jumped out, and wolf ran away. Children, did you like this story? Yes, you have to learn at your home.